guys
You have
do.
to buy expansions in the cellar.
Maybe
I
you
see.
it's storage space.
Wait, so we can have a kissing booth in the cell.
though. That's fine.
Oh, there's a cellar stand.
Apparently stuff doesn't spoil down there.
It's alright now.
Not yet. We're selling it.
No, let's not sell it. I want it.
Yeah, you have to buy it from us.
Wait, we got cabbage too. Nice.
Pretzel pumpkin.